Thank you for viewing the Kegel maintenance videos. Today we will be replacing the transfer brush assembly on our Atlas Walker, or Atlas Pro lathe machine. Before we begin, we want to make sure the brush is in the up position and that power is off to the machine. We will then move the oil head all the way to the 7-pin side. I've already taken the liberty of loosening all the hardware to remove the transfer brush assembly. It'll be 5 bolts with one here, 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 and finally here. Once loose, you'll simply press down on the brush assembly and gently pull it out from under the block, lifting out of the machine. With our old assembly out of the machine, we will now take our new transfer brush, line it up with the bolts, lift up on the bar, and slide the brush in place. Once they're finger tightened, all 5 of the hex bolts we loosened prior, and then secure using your 7/16 open-end wrench. At this point, you will want to check your transfer brush crush adjustment in your operator's manual.